morning, students. Okay, next day, let's start new topic. Linear equation in two variables. Okay, na? Some definitions completed. Okay, Ramma. Now today, equation. That is linear equation. Okay, na? Linear equation. Linear equation. Okay, na? Linear equation. Okay, students. See linear equation. Linear equation are simple equation. Linear equation are simple equation. Okay, na? What is the linear equation? An equation in which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation or simple equation. What is the definition, number? In an equation in which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation. Okay, na? An equation in which contains only one variable. An equation in which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation. Or simple equation. What is linear equation, number? An equation which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation or simple equation. Okay, number. Example. What is the example? 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here one variable is x. Only one variable. Here x is the variable. Only one variable. This is the highest degree is here. Power is 1. So the highest degree is 1. So this is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is called linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. 7x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is also linear equation in one variable. What is the note here? Note. The general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. Here ax plus b is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. A comma b belongs to z. Okay, na? What is the linear equation, number? An equation which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation or simple equation. These are the examples. The highest degree is 1 is linear. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 7x minus 10 is equal to 0. Or the note, the general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. A comma b belongs to z and a not equal to 0. Okay, na? A not equal to 0. Okay, Amma? Okay, Amma? See here, this is linear equation, one variable. Okay, now see right here, one variable. This is simple equation. Simple equation, an equation in which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation or simple equation. This is called one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, na? Linear equation in one variable. Okay, na? Next, linear equation in two variables. Okay, na? Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. An equation in which contains in two variables of degree 1 is called linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. What are the definition? An equation in which contains in two variables of degree 1 is called linear equation in two variables. Here examples. What are the example, Amma? 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. This is variable here. X is the one variable, y is the one variable. The highest degree is here also 1, here also 1. So this is linear equation in two variables. Another example, x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, x variable and y is also variable, two variables. X power is degree is 1, here also y power degree also 1. So the linear. X minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is constant. 7 is a constant. Okay, na? Okay, next, note. What is the note, Amma? Note. The general form of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c belongs to z and a comma b not equal to 0. There a comma b not equal to 0. The general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A comma b comma c belongs to z and a comma b not equal to 0. This is the linear equation one variable. This is linear equation two variables. Okay, na? Okay, Rama? Okay, na, students? Understood? Okay. This is linear equation in one variable. An equation which contains only one variable of degree 1 is called linear equation or simple equation in one variable. Okay, na? This is an example. The general form of linear equation one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and a comma b belongs to z. Next, linear equation in two variables. In an equation in which contains in two variables of degree 1 is called linear equation in two variables. The general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, na? Understood? Okay, na? This is where a comma b comma c belongs to z and a comma b not equal to 0. Okay, na? Understood? Now examples. Okay, students. Understood? Okay, note first part, the equation of linear equation of one variable. First part is the general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here ax plus b is equal to 0. Here x coefficient is a and b is the constant. B is called constant. X coefficient is a, b is constant. What is the general formula of linear equation? Two variables ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Listen carefully. Okay? Here x coefficient is a. X coefficient is the x coefficient. This is ax term. In this term, x, this is x. X coefficient is before value and multiplying this value. So this value is the coefficient of x. So x coefficient is a and y coefficient is b. This is called constant. Okay, Ramma? Okay, Ramma? Okay. Example 1. Example 1. See, in our textbook, page number 125. Sachin and Sehwag scored 137 runs together. Sachin and Sehwag scored 137 runs together. Express the information in the form of an equation. Here two members is there. The two members runs is 137. That means first number is one person and second person. This both sum is equal to 137 runs is there. You can write given data first of all. What is the given data? Okay, Rama? Example number 1. Page number 125. Example number 1. Okay, na? A Sachin and Sehwag scored 137 runs. Okay, given data. What is the given data? Given that let runs scored by Sachin. Okay, na? And let runs scored by Sachin is equal to, can take x. Next another person is there. Sachin and Sehwag runs scored by Sehwag is equal to y. Total runs scored is 137. That is the data. Okay, na? Total runs scored is 137. Total means here given. This 137 is given. That means the value is both Sachin and Sehwag. Total score 137 runs. Okay, na? Both means what to do next? Both means add them both up. Okay, na? Here Sachin plus Sehwag is equal to 137 or not? What is the value of Sachin? Sachin is equal to x plus Sehwag is equal to y is equal to 137 runs. Sachin plus Sehwag is equal to scored by 137 runs or not? This is Sachin and Sehwag both scored by 137 runs. Okay, na? This is the equation or not? This is linear equation. The highest degree is 1. This is linear equation in two variables x, y. Is the two variables. Okay, Ramma? Understood? That given data information is what is given? Two persons is given. The two persons runs scored by how many runs? 137 runs. First person plus second person. That is equal to 137 or not? First person is equal to second. Sehwag, that is x. Second person is equal to first person Sachin is equal to x. Second person is Sehwag is equal to y. Then both the persons runs is equal to 137. So first person plus second person is equal to 137. Okay, na? Okay, next sum. Okay, next example. Hema's age is 4 times the age of Mary. Hema's age is 4 times the age of Mary. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this information. Hema's age is 4 times the age of Mary. Okay na? That is the question. Page number 126. Example number 2. Okay na? Here condition is given. What is the condition? Here 2 persons is there. One person age is equal to another person 4 times of this person, not other person. For example, this is first person, this is second person, this is second person. Okay na? This is first person, this is second person. First person age is equal to x means other person 4 times of first person. That means 4 times of this first person, like that. Okay, that condition is given. Okay na? That condition is given. Or like this. This is first person is x you can take, second person is y you can take. First person is second person. This first person age is 4 times of this second person age. Sometimes. Okay, this is y, this is 4. X is equal to 4y, like that. Okay na? Okay na ma? Understood? Okay, like that. Okay, see. First of all, write the data. What is the data? First, let the age of Hema is equal to x years. The age of Hema is equal to x years. And next, another person is another person, Mary. The age of Mary is equal to, or the Mary age, y you can take, that y is equal to, okay na? Here condition is, what is the condition? What is the condition number? Okay, first of all this is years. Okay, years. Okay, Rama, see. The present age of Hema is equal to x, the age of Mary is equal to y years. Here 2 persons age is there, okay, in terms of x and y. Okay. Here one condition is given. What is the condition? The age of Hema is 4 times of Mary's age. Okay, na? The age of Hema is 4 times the age of Mary. Okay na? The age of Hema is 4 times the age of Hema. What is the Hema age? Hema is equal to x is equal to 4 times the age of Mary. What is the Mary age? 4 into Mary age is y. So that is x is equal to 4y. Understood? Here the age of Hema is 4 times the age of Mary. Hema is equal to x is equal to 4 times 4 into Mary's age is y and 4 into y, that is 4y. X is equal to 4y. This value in this side, x minus 4y is equal to 0. So this is linear equation in 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables. Okay, Rama? Okay, students. This value is given condition. Given. Okay, na? Given. This value is given. This. Okay, na? Okay, na, students. Next example. Okay. Okay, understood, Amma? Okay, na? This type of problems is important, Amma. See, here what is the condition is given. First of all, here the age of Hema is 4 times the age of Mary. Okay, na? Mary is given. Here you don't know the Mary's age and the Hema's age. You can take let. You can take let. The age of Hema is x years. The age of Mary is y years. Okay, na? This. Next, what is the given data? The age of Hema is 4 times the age of Mary. Hema age is equal to 4 into Mary's age. Hema age is equal to 4 into Mary's age. This is Hema age is equal to 4 into Mary's age. So x is equal to 4 into y. That is 4 into y is equal to 4y. X is equal to 4y. If plus 4y take the side, minus 4y. That is equal to 0. So highest degree is 1. Here also 1. So here how many variables is there? 2 variables is there. X and y. That is the 2 variables. So and degree is also 1. Here 2 variables. So linear equation in 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables. Okay na students, understood? Next example number 3 and 4 is the homework. Okay na? Okay na students? Okay.